Hi, today we are going to learn how to connect our Ledger hardware wallet to our Metamask account and add EQX as a custom token. First of all, please make sure that you have your Ledger plugged into your laptop with the Ethereum app open. You have your Ledger Live app open on your laptop as well, and you have Metamask open in Google Chrome. First of all, to be able to connect the Ledger wallet, you need to go to Settings in Metamask, Advanced, and here you need to scroll down, and where you have the option to use Ledger Live, please turn it on. This way we will be able to use the bridge between Metamask and Ledger. Now that we have updated all our settings, we can go back, and on the Metamask homepage, in the extension, on the top right corner, click on the circle, and here in the menu that appears, click on Connect Hardware Wallet. You will have to choose between Ledger and Trezor. It will be the same connection steps, so today we are going with Ledger, and we click on Continue. Here we have a notification that prompts us to open Ledger Live. We click on Open Ledger Live, and Ledger Live gives us another notification to expose our device account through this WebSocket, and we click on Open. The bridge is now connecting to Metamask, and we can go back to the Metamask page, where we will see that Metamask is looking to load our Ledger addresses. Now we can see the list of addresses that we have connected. For these addresses, we can choose to connect Metamask to as many as we want, and basically Metamask will act as an interface between us and our wallets. This time I will choose these two addresses that I use on different EQX applications, and I click on Unlock. These addresses are now unlocked, and as you can see, I have different tokens in one of the addresses and different tokens in another one. I can switch between them right here. Let's say that I'm on this address, and I know that I have some EQX tokens here, but I cannot see them. To be able to see the EQX token, you need to click on Add Token, and here you just copy paste the token address from Etherscan. In the Custom Token tab, you just click and paste the address from Etherscan. Then you click on Next. And now I can see that I have some tokens, right? I click on Add Tokens, and now I can see my EQX token balance in my wallet. That's it. From here I can start sending tokens, or I can swap them. It's very simple. That's it. This is the simplest way to connect your Metamask to your Ledger and to be able to operate on your EQX. Please make sure that in order to use EQX, you have your Metamask connected, because only from Metamask you can manage your tokens.